Good afternoon. My name is Kim Dandurand with AULTERRA International. One of our products are called the Neutralizer that we're showing here today. And we get a lot of questions from a lot of people on how to open the packaging and put the sticker on the phone where it goes. And so I'm going to demonstrate that today. So this is our normal tri-pack packaging that most of you order. What we do is simply take a pair of scissors and cut it open right at the top, which hopefully isn't too much a challenge. Sometimes things are to me. When we take it open, we pull the insert out of the packaging, like so. So what you have is two cards here. You have the front, which shows our 3 neutralizers, and these are the actual product here. Inside you'll see different packaging that shows our live blood work, effects of EMFs on the human body. And on the back here, this one shows the product, how the product's put together. You have the vinyl covering on the top, and then you have the 3, our new product has 4 layers of paramagnetic minerals on it, and then the adhesive on the back right here, the bonding agent. So what people seem to have a problem is getting this, the neutralizer itself, off of the packaging to put on their phone or their TV or their computer, whatever it is. So very simply, I run my fingernail. I have short fingernails, so that could be an advantage or a disadvantage, I don't know. I run it around the edge a little bit until this shows up. So what you have here is this little thin vinyl disc, and this white backing stays on the card. If you pull it off, where you actually take the white backing off with it, oh, these aren't happening. Sometimes that happens. A lot of people complain about that. But these are all coming off very easily. So the vinyl comes off, and this is what you want. You want this piece of vinyl to stick on the back of your phone. And you take the back of your phone off, because actually it needs to be on the phone, not on your case. So you take your case off and you stick this on. If you have a problem where this white piece of paper is stuck to the back, what I do is I simply stick it back on here, like so, and rub it harder until I can get my fingernail under there to pull just this part off. Because you don't want this white backing, it interferes. It inhibits the ability of the neutralizer to work just a little bit. And that's really that simple. People try, if you peel this off and the white backing comes off with it, which none of these are doing that, the best thing to do is to stick it back on the card somewhere and push it down tight, and then try to get your finger under the vinyl again and pull it off and stick it on your phone. That's the easiest way to do it. If you pull it off and the white backing is still on the sticker itself, you really do need to stick it back on anywhere, even close to the edge where you can get to it, where you can then, now that one's stuck, it ain't gonna come off because there's no white backing on it, where you can actually get your fingernail underneath that and pull the neutralizer off the backing, and then stick it on your phone, computer, or wherever you're gonna put it. I hope this really helps, and what would really be great is if any of you are looking at this video, when you do, please send us any comments. If you're having a struggle, it'll be so much easier to walk you through the process if you're looking at this video while we're doing it. It'd be a big advantage to us, a big advantage to yourself, and would eliminate a lot of problems that some of our customers have. So I appreciate you joining us today, and have a great afternoon. Take care. Bye.